Cozy up with warm apple cider, a recipe for comfort and a home upgrade. When the air gets crisp, or at least cooler here on the Space Coast, there's no better way to embrace the season than with a steaming mug of warm apple cider. Whether you're sipping it on your back porch or imagining that dream kitchen where you'd love to brew it, this recipe will warm both your heart and your home. And speaking of homes, if your current space doesn't quite fit your cozy vibes anymore, don't worry, I've got you covered as your favorite Space Coast realtor. Let's start with the cider and chat about your next home later. The perfect warm apple cider recipe. Ingredients: 8 cups of fresh apple cider, store-bought or from your local farmer's market, 2 to 3 cinnamon sticks, 4 whole cloves, 2 to 3 star anise, optional for a fancy twist, 1 orange sliced, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar or honey, adjust to taste, a pinch of nutmeg for that extra fall flavor. Instructions: combine the ingredients, pour the apple cider into a large pot or slow cooker, add the cinnamon sticks, cloves, star anise, orange slices, and your sweetener of choice. Heat it up. If using a pot, heat the cider over medium heat until it's just about to simmer. Reduce the heat to low and let it warm for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld. In a slow cooker, set it on low and let it simmer for 2 to 3 hours. Strain and serve. Remove the cinnamon sticks, cloves, and orange slices before serving. Ladle the cider into mugs and top with a sprinkle of nutmeg if you're feeling fancy. Optional flair, add a splash of caramel syrup or garnish with a cinnamon stick for stirring. Sip and dream. As you take that first cozy sip, think about where you'd love to enjoy moments like this in the future. Maybe you've been dreaming of a bigger kitchen for hosting family gatherings or a backyard perfect for sipping cider under the stars. Whatever your dream home looks like, I'm here to make it a reality. Ready to upgrade? Life's too short to settle for a house that doesn't feel like home. As a seasoned Space Coast realtor with years of experience and a knack for finding the perfect match, I'll help you discover a space that fits all your needs and maybe even a cozy nook for enjoying your cider. So while your cider warms you up, let's talk about warming up your home life. Reach out anytime because a better home and better cider moments are just a call away.